Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to underline chapter heading. So in this example, for example, I have written chapter 3, conservation strategies. So I select this chapter heading and go to, you have to be in the home tab, and then you have to go find this symbol. It's called borders, and then you go all the way down to borders and shading and go there, and we need a custom border. Okay, so now you can choose a different style, a lot of different styles. So I'm gonna choose the solid line, and then you may want to choose the color. I choose this color, and then you can customize the width, so it's big, and so I'll take this one and I apply to this paragraph and make sure that it is for the bottom border. As you see in this preview, it's for the bottom border. So you click OK, and there you go. You have this bottom underlined border for your chapter. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel.